Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about ngFor directive. In our previous video, we have discussed about types of directives. We have three types of directives available: component directive, structural directive, and attribute directives. In previous videos, we have seen about how to create components and all. If you didn't watch, please go and watch once again. Okay, once you will get the clarity about components. Okay, then structural directives. In our previous video we have seen that ngIf directive. Now we are going to see that ngFor directive. Okay, ngFor, it is one of the structural directive. Why we need to use this means to run a loop through the elements of array. For example, we have an array of elements. We need to loop through that elements, right? So that we for that purpose we need to go with ngFor directives. Here index is the number of that element. Using this property index is a predefined property. Using this property we can get the index number of that element. Let's see one example so that you can get understand. You will get more understanding about ngFor directive. Syntax of this ngFor directive is if you take div tag. Okay, ngFor let item of array. This is the name of that array and item is the user defined variable name. We need to display item so that it is returning through loop. Okay, we'll see one example so that you will get more understand. Okay, control shift C, sorry, command prompt we need to open. Yes, to create that new project, new ngFor project hyphen skip hyphen install to avoid installing node modules. Okay, this is the command we need to use to avoid installing node modules. We don't want routing now, we are using CSS. See, we have created that ngFor project, right? cd space ngFor project. We need to go inside of that project and we need to run the server. Starting that server. It is taking little bit time. Okay, till now we'll open in browser. Yeah, came right. We will open our project in file, open folder in Visual Studio Code. There is new folder, inside that we have created. Okay, app.component.html file. Yes, we don't want welcome. See, hi is displaying here. Okay, see, we need to create ngFor now. I am creating one array here. Okay, yes, I am creating cities array. Cities colon any equal to array we need to write, right? Array Hyderabad, Delhi, UK, USA. Okay, so combination of cities and countries, whatever we need to take. If you want to take, you can take it. Okay, Mumbai, Pune. So it's enough. Okay, cities we have taken. This is the name. Here just I am iterating that array. Div ngFor we need to take. Okay, let item or city name. I'm taking of is the syntax. Okay, cities. Let's see, we are printing. This is the expression for printing that variables here. City name. Our project is already running. Okay, see how it is displaying. In single line it is displaying. Instead of single line, I want to display in multiple lines. So how instead of div, I am taking list tag. Okay, see now it is displaying in a single row. We'll see why it is displaying in single line. Have you got any point? See, here we have taken single string. No, instead of we need to take multiple, right? In array. That's why it is displaying like this. Fine. See now, it came in list one by one, right? Yeah. It is displaying in multiple lines. For example, I want to take one drop down box and I want to display all these cities in that drop down box. Let's see one example how we can implement like that. See how we can implement here. Select. Here we need to take option tag. Yes, right? Yes. Here we need to take ngFor to iterate that loop. ngFor. This is the syntax we need to use. I'm copy pasting. Here we need to print that city name. See, we'll see output how it is displaying. See, here it is displaying, right? I'll give you one break so that yeah, space came, Delhi, whatever. Yeah, one more example. I'll display one text box and I want to, whenever I will type any city name in the text box, I want to display this whatever we have and city name we have entered, that city name we need to add it to this list. Okay, how can we write like that? See, this is the example I want to display. We will say I'm writing here input type text. Okay, value enter city. See how we'll see how it is displaying, right? It is displaying enters city. Instead of value, placeholder is better. Yes. See? Okay. Then better. ng model. Two-way data binding we have already discussed. Data binding, right? I'm using this concept here. ng model. Text. ng model, in which package ng model is available, we need to import that, right? In forms module we have ng model. Import. I'll do one thing directly. I'll write here forms module. Yeah, directly import already came now. Here we need to take that variable here, right? Yes. colon string. String I'm taking. Then fine. Here no error now. Here. Okay. Sorry, exception. Here whenever I'm entering that city name and I need to press tab button, then only that city needs to enter into that cities array. Okay. Blur is the function I am using here to enter that city name into that cities array. Okay. This function we need to implement over here. Function 1. This is the cities is the array, right? This dot cities dot push is the method I need to use here, equal to which name, this dot txt. Okay. See here inside push method we need to add this, right? This dot txt, whatever the variable name we have given, that we need to push to into that cities array. Okay. It is already compiled and I am opening in browser. Yeah, this is the list we have now, and I am entering one more city, New Jersey. I am entering. Okay, see, it is displaying in that list, right? I am removing and one more I am entering. City 2 I am entering. Yeah, city 2 also added. Like this we need to use that ngFor directive. If you really like this video, please like and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.